Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll show you how to create a catalog in Shopify step by step, so your customers can easily find and browse your products. First, log into your Shopify admin and head to your store's homepage. On the left-hand menu, click Online Store and select Pages. Click Add Page to create a new page. Give your page a clear, catchy title, something that reflects what's in the catalog, and use the Content area to add details about your products or collections. Scroll down to the search engine listing preview and click the pencil icon. Edit the page title, meta description, and URL to match your keywords and help with SEO. Make sure the page visibility is set to visible, then click Save. Now, go back to the navigation section. Open Main Menu, click Add Menu Item, and use the same name as your catalog page. Link it to the page you just created and save your menu. That's it. Your catalog page is live and linked to your store's navigation so customers can find it easily. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next Shopify tutorial.